So I'm heading to a shoot. This shoot is actually from last time's shoot, the one that I was acting in. They have another location that they wanted to shoot, and that's today. So I'm heading there, and then apparently it's going to be a quick shoot. So I should be done, and then we'll be done right around Tokyo Station. So I got some shopping to do in Tokyo Station. So come along, Tokyo Station. But first, let's get to the shoot, and it's actually by the Olympic Stadium, so excited about that. So let's go.
The next station is exit JY21.
Alright, yo, I just arrived at the station where I need to be here at. There's so many people. I forgot about the time. I forgot that it's a weekday, and I don't know if you guys can see. Look how many people. It's a work day, and I totally forgot about the time. There's so many people on the train. It hasn't happened to me within this like 2 years because of COVID. Like everyone is like trying to spread out the time to go to the office, so it's not that crowded. But yo, today was crowded. Plus the train was late, so that's probably a factor that's making it crowded. So yeah, all right. I don't know where to go. I gotta find the people. The shoot people. Did I just say shoot people? The production people. That didn't sound right. Shoot people.
駅のロッカーですか？
So I totally forgot that I need to shave. So got the shave. So I'm gonna shave. And yeah, it's gotta go. So all they had was face wash. So it's not shaving cream. It's face wash. I broke the shaver. How the fuck did my... Okay, cut myself. Don't know if that's gonna be on camera, but it's good. Back to my young self. Alright, let me just wash this out. Alright, we are done with the shooting. We're going to the office or recording studio to record our... That's a lot of... Oof. To record our lines, and that should be good for this project. But first, lunch. We're gonna get lunch. And then record our lines. Alright, God, it's sunny. So my part is done. I did the filming and also the recording. Right now I'm just waiting for the other guy to finish recording, and then this shoot should be done. This project should be done. This short film should be done. Okay, I gotta be quiet. This just started recording. Shh. Whew, finally done with the shoot. Not gonna lie, it was a long shoot, 2 days, and like it's I hate those kind of shoots. Like I wish they could just have like 2 days and then just shoot 2 days, but we did 1 day last week and then today, so it's all right. It's just hard to get back into the character and all that, so I'm complaining, I know, but still. It was a fun shoot. All in all, it was very fun. Very nice experience. Met some nice people. The director saw this big ass camera and was like super interested with what I'm doing with YouTube and all that, and what I've been doing with like my clientele work. So that was also fun. Apparently he started the same way, and then gradually making a movie, and now he's a director. So oh my god. So kind of it was very nice to kind of meet those kind of people. That being said though, right now I'm going to Tokyo. We'll do some shopping, and yeah, I need new glasses. I need new glasses. I'm heading out of the country and I need new glasses. So just wanted to add a note on that, on the director that I met today, or on this shoot. Just listening to those kind of stories, like having, like literally he started the same as I did, and he literally listening to his story, and then knowing that he just started the way I did, like just learning by himself, going out there shooting, and then just getting used to it, getting used to the gear that you use, getting used to the skills, building up your skills, and then at the end becoming a director. Like that's crazy to me. Like that's what keeps me going. Like listening to those kind of stories, the possibilities, like knowing that there's like a future, like knowing that there's a goal, I guess. It's, I don't know. Like it kind of opened my eyes a little bit today. I mean, I knew that it was there, and I knew that somehow I will get there. It's just listening to someone else's story and then knowing that they're already there and seeing that they're there. It's just a whole new like level of perspective. So I don't know, I just wanted to share that with you guys at this random place, like literally in the middle of Tokyo. Just literally cars. Alright, that's pretty much it for today. Done with my glasses shopping and some other shopping. So, whoa, camera just moved. That being said, the glasses, yo, I haven't bought glasses since like, I don't know, ages. Like ages. They finished with my glasses like in 30 minutes. I remember it being like I had to wait like 1 week and come back to the store and get it. But they're done it in 30 minutes. That's crazy. I don't know. Like glasses technology, I guess it became that good. Like 30 minutes. Not even 30. They said it was 30, but then they gave me like a pickup confirmation email like within 20 minutes. So that was like crazy. I was searching for a cafe and then I got the email and I was like, oh, lucky me, innit? So that being said though, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm about to end this vlog. And have a great day, because I definitely had a perfect day. My train's coming. See you guys in the next one.